Hey, welcome to the 2024 Trans Am National. My name is John, and I am surrounded by my favorite things in the whole wide world. Firebirds of any shape, size, year, and color you can think of. And even one right over there I really like. Autumn Bronze 69 or 68 Firebird. We all know this is the Great Pumpkin. It is here showing off well. I think he's going to do pretty good, but I'm really kind of looking forward to see if that thing even places, because there's a lot of really nice cars here. But I'll get a little footage of the show. But the biggest thing I wanted to say was thanks for everybody who's found me so far. I'll still be here for a couple more hours and still yet tomorrow, so plenty of time to say hi. But it's been really cool catching up with a lot of people and putting some names with their or faces with their names on the old YouTubes and Facebook. So that's been really awesome. It's been my favorite part so far. But nonetheless, let's show you some of these cars.
They say there comes a time in everybody's life they have to prove their will is strong. Just like this man from Indiana doing show car restorations in his home. With just a two-car garage, building cars and having fun. And these old boys jumped up and said, "Now, John, you know that can't be done." That's when this
made the Trans Am Nationals. Currently at the Tip City Cruise here. Really fun place to hang out. Firebirds everywhere you can look. I think nearly 300 plus here. Nearly 500 of the Trans Am Nationals. And meeting a handful of you was fantastic. I feel like a celebrity. A few of you actually made a trip just to say hi, and that was actually really cool. And it made a whole lot more gooder time for me nonetheless. And of course, I hope that you all can make it out next year. But before I get out of here, I want to give you a little short recap of a few of the cars I like and think are really cool to check out. So check out this little video I have here for you.
Big orange dude, just a working man trying to save the world, one Firebird at a time. Them boys that said he couldn't do it stood there speechless, couldn't even say a word. When they saw how good his restorations looked and thought about the trouble they had stirred. So don't you make a double dog dare or draw a line out in the sand, 'cause Paul Bunyan and John Henry ain't got nothing on this man. His restorations are more gooder, and his slogan is, "Gotta save them birds." 'Cause in the Vinyl Village garage they're building cars that look so fine. A man named John built a Firebird 67s, 8s, and 9s. Yeah, he's restored a Pontiac or two, and he's been known to drink a big orange dew. Just a working man trying to save the world, one Firebird at a time. In the Vinyl Village garage they're building cars that look so fine.
That's gonna do it for this year. I hope to see you guys. Now hang on just a second there. This video ain't over yet. I just realized something, or something you might want to know. You may be asking yourself, how well does a car do at the Trans Am Nationals that was built here in this two-car garage? Well, this picture here speaks for itself.
Orange dude, just a working man trying to save the world, one Firebird at a time. He's just a working man trying to save the world, one Firebird at a time.